Fictional men are always better. And this guy, the moment I put King of Envy there, I knew it. It feels so good when you least expect it from a book. Hello, I'm Sarita Pahuja, aka Bookmarked, and this is going to be the first long length video on this YouTube channel. I know I have been posting a lot of short videos, then I decided to do a reading blog. If you are someone from my Bookstagram account, then you must be aware that I put up a story asking people to choose a book for me for my reading blog, and the moment I put King of Envy there, I knew it. I knew it. They are gonna choose King of Envy. I am going to do a reading blog of King of Envy by Anna Huang. And let me tell you one thing. I've been ignoring the entire series, to be honest. I'm sorry if I offend someone, but the way Bookstagram have gone crazy, so I had to pick it up. And yeah, it's here. No more talking. No, because I'm feeling a bit nervous as this is my first long length video and I don't know how to talk 15 hours. We have the book here, and the main ceremony is choosing a bookmark. That is my bookmark. Yeah, I have a lot of bookmarks, okay? So for this book, I'm going to use this bow bookmark. Isn't it cute? Anna always shocks me with her dedications, and this one is just to all the readers who like their fictional man a little unhinged. This one is for you. Oh my god. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna read 100 pages and then come here and tell you about it, and then next 100 pages, and then again I'll repeat the same process. So I had to come here. Anna has seriously done something good with this book. This guy is not talking at all. He is talking using sign language. And because of some reasons, Ayana had to travel to California with Wook, okay? Because the fiance isn't available. Wook is the best man. I'll give the overview of the story in the end. So when they get off the plane, they get into the car, and this guy is sitting at the farthest end. Ayana is like, तू जा तू कोने में उस डोर में घुस जा भाई इट्स गुड इट्स गोइंग गुड एंड आई विल कीप यू अपडेटेड I just got back from work and here is a quick update. I am at 228th page and I am enjoying it. It feels so good when you least expect it from a book and you enjoy it so much. That's what's happening, and it is the best feeling in the world. So I finally finished it, and my one line review is I enjoyed it so much. Like, I didn't expect to be this into it, but here we are. So the story is about Ayana. She is a super famous model and she is engaged to Jordan, a guy she met in college. Now, before you start picturing the lovey-dovey story between Ayana and Jordan, let me tell you, they are not the end game. It's a marriage of convenience and they both have their reasons. You'll know about it when you read it. So they just decide to get married. Now comes Vuk Markovic, our hero, the hero. This man is a game changer. He is the CEO of a multi-billion dollar liquor company and he is Jordan's best man. He is super into Ayana and he gives a bit stalkerish. If you ask me about Ayana, she is just trying to figure him out like something is wrong with this guy. And trust me, there is much more to book than you would think. And the fun part is this book has two vibes. One is this Sunni slow burn romance between Ayana and Vuk, and the other is dark mafia-ish suspense. Like we get to see stabby Vuk a lot. Now let's talk about our favorite part. Fictional men are always better because Wook is definitely giving everything. There is this moment where a bus drives to a puddle and this guy literally covered Diana and get drenched himself. Excuse me, and you are asking me to lower my standards? Not happening. Not after this. And he honestly gives off that vibe. Virat vibe? Like if he wanted to, he would. And one more interesting thing. There is this cat. So one day when Wook went to Ayana's apartment, Ayana had served him tea in a cute little cat cup. Later on, one random day when it rains heavily, Wook sees a stray cat stuck in rain and this guy literally rescues it and names it Shadow. I mean, to be very honest, मुझे Shadow और Wook की relationship अयाना और वूक की रिलेशनशिप से ज़्यादा पसंद आई है. I don't know why, but it is what it is, right? Now for the rating, I would give this book a solid 4 stars because it had everything. I love the plot twist, the characters, the vibes, the mafia-ish themes. Yeah, literally everything. -1 because after about 70%, it started to feel a bit slow or boring for me, but I still pushed through and it was a happy ending. Of course. That's it from me. If you have read it, let me know what you think about it. And thanks a ton for watching. This was my first long length video and I hope you enjoyed it.